In this video, I'll show you how to display your product reviews directly on the results page of your quiz created with the RevenueHunt app. First, open the quiz you've created, click Customize, and go to the Results page section in the Quiz Builder. Find a product block that recommends products. Under Recommended Products, Product Components Layout, click Add Block and select Reviews. Once added, a small star rating box will appear on the product card. Open the Reviews tab, and you'll see an option to select your review app. In my case, I'm using Judge.me, but you can select any compatible review app from the dropdown. After selecting the app, you can move the reviews to a different position within the product layout, for example, right below the product title. Once you're happy with the placement, click Save. The app will automatically sync the product reviews from your selected review app. To check it, preview your quiz. When you take the quiz and view the results, any product with reviews will now display its star rating directly below the product name. If reviews don't appear right away, make sure the reviews rating and reviews rating count metafields have read or storefront API access. Then go back to the app, open Settings, Catalog, and run a quick catalog import. Once that finishes, return to the results page, make sure the reviews block is added, and preview the quiz again. And that's it. Keep in mind that you can sync data from many different review apps. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.